Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can bleach your brows without actually bleaching them. So I'm going to show you how you, with makeup, can fake bleach your brows. If you want to do a more editorial look, or if you just want to try because it's cool. I think it's super cool and it's actually not that hard. So just keep on watching and I show you how you can do it. So first of all, I'm gonna block out my brows with orange, which may sound a little weird, but with the orange color you actually block out the dark in your brows. And I'm gonna use nude crayon in Likeable, and I'm gonna use a spoolie for this. So I'm gonna bring the orange onto the spoolie, and then I'm gonna go the opposite, how do you say, both with the hairs and against the hairs. If you have very light eyebrows already, you can skip this step. I'm gonna go straight onto my brows with the crayon as well. If it gets a little bit on the skin, doesn't really matter. I'm almost finished with this. Okay, so I have an orange brow, but this will change because I'm gonna use another crayon to put on top of this. So I'm just gonna wait for a minute and let it dry. So I think it's dry. So what I'm gonna do now is to use the core crayon in light. And it's not white, and it's a little very light yellowish. And this will block out the orange and it will make your brows look very light. You see it covers really well. This can look a little bit too yellow for some skin tones. You can go over with your foundation on top of this. Just let it dry first, and then you can go another round with your favorite foundation with a clean spoolie on top. And that's what I'm gonna do very, very soon. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock It concealer in the shade Neutral. I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand and I'm gonna just put it on the spoolie to make it less yellow. And that's it. This is basically how you do when you first of all block out the color, use orange, then you go over with the yellow toned crayon. And on top of that, if you want to get rid of that yellow tone, you can go over with the concealer that is matching either your skin tone, or if you want to go a little bit lighter, you can do that. So this is basically how you do. And I think the bleached eyebrow look is very cool and it gives you a very edgy look. So I'm gonna do the second brow. I'm gonna do the second brow now. I'm done. And if you don't want to do this, you can bleach your brows as well, of course. Some people, they just bleach their brows, but if you want to try, see how it looks, then you can always fake bleach your brows before you do it. I really hope you like this little tips and tricks video, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!